Have you ever been so frustrated with your slow computer you just wanted to, I don't know, toss it out a window? Well, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the one single upgrade that can make your old machine feel like it's brand new again. Let's dive right in.
So, does this whole scene sound familiar to you? You hit the power button, you wander off, maybe make a whole pot of coffee, you come back, and it's still chugging along, trying to boot up. Or you click on an app and you're just stuck staring at that little spinning wheel of doom. You know that frustration is totally real, but the fix is often way simpler and, believe it or not, cheaper than you think.
You see, a lot of the time, the real bottleneck, the thing that's holding your whole system back, is just one single component. And it's based on technology that's been around for decades. So it's time we really get what's going on under the hood. Okay, so on the left, you've got your traditional hard disk drive, the HDD. I want you to picture a tiny little record player inside your computer, with spinning platters and a little mechanical arm that has to physically move around to find your data. Now look to the right. That's the modern solid-state drive, or SSD. There are absolutely no moving parts. It's all flash memory, kind of like a giant super-fast USB drive. And that right there is the most important thing to remember. A solid-state drive uses flash memory, but the magic words are no moving parts. Seriously, that one little fact is the secret sauce behind every single advantage we're about to talk about. It is a complete game changer. So let's get to the number one reason people make the switch: speed. And I'm not just talking about a little bump here. I'm talking about pure, glorious, unadulterated speed that completely changes how you use your computer every single day. The very first thing you are going to notice is when you turn it on. That long, agonizing wait just to get to your desktop, poof, it's gone. With an SSD, your computer doesn't just wake up, it literally springs to life, ready for you to go in seconds, not whole minutes. And this chart just lays it all out, doesn't it? A typical hard drive can easily take 90 seconds, a minute and a half, to boot up. An SSD, we're talking around 15 seconds. That is a 6 times improvement. Just think about all that time you get back every single day. And that insane speed carries over into, well, everything else you do. Programs like Photoshop or your web browser don't just launch, they practically snap open instantly. If you're someone who has 20 tabs open while editing a video, you're going to feel a massive difference. That frustrating lag, that stuttering, it just becomes a thing of the past. But here's the thing. It's not just about the speed, even though that's awesome. Getting rid of all those little moving parts brings a bunch of other really powerful advantages to the table. Let's just run through these real quick. First up, they're way more durable. You can actually bump or jostle a laptop with an SSD and not have a complete heart attack. They're also totally silent. Yep, no more of that weird whirring or clicking coming from your computer case. Plus, they run cooler, which is great for the health of your machine, and they use less power, which on a laptop means, you guessed it, longer battery life. And this quote just nails the key takeaway. Because there are no mechanical bits and pieces to wear out over time or break if you accidentally knock it, your precious data is just fundamentally safer. It's like peace of mind built right into the hardware.
Okay, so you're sold, right? But now you're probably thinking, this all sounds a little technical. Well, the good news is that making the switch is probably way easier than you think. It's actually one of the most impactful do-it-yourself upgrades you can possibly make.
So here's the basic roadmap. First, just check your computer's compatibility. A quick search online for your model will tell you what you need. Second, pick an SSD that fits your budget and the amount of storage you want. Step 3, and listen, this one is absolutely critical. Back up your data. And finally, you can either use some simple software to clone your old drive, which makes an exact copy, or you can take the chance to start fresh with a clean install. So let's bring it all home. The big question. Is this upgrade really worth it? And the answer is a huge, resounding yes. And a big part of that is because of how accessible this all has become. See, what used to be this really premium, super expensive luxury item, it's now incredibly affordable. The price for these things has just plummeted over the last few years, putting this massive performance boost well within reach for pretty much everybody. It's not really a question of if you should upgrade anymore, it's more like when. And this quote really says it all, doesn't it? If you want a faster, smoother, and just plain more reliable computer, there has literally never been a better time to make the switch. It is the single best thing you can do to make an old PC feel brand new. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. This isn't just about shaving a few seconds off your boot time. It's about all those little moments of frustration, all those little bits of waiting that just vanish from your day, from your week, from your year. So when you add all of that up, what could you do with all the time you get back?